It was a very windy day on the island of Sodor. Stanley was just getting ready to pull a goods train when Toby shoved in. He was very happy about that. I'm taking care if I were you. It is kind of windy today. Oh my, high winds will never stop me. I'm just a strong engine. Just then, the guard's whistle blew and he waved his green flag. And Stanley puffed away in a cloud of steam. Stanley was making good time on his way down the tracks. He was thinking about anything that he did and what to even know all about it. Or so he thought. He puffed and puffed down the tracks. But just as he was about to do something, the wind blew him right off the track. Stanley's driver and fireman had jumped clear before the crash. But he wouldn't have windy days like this. Meanwhile, Elizabeth was just getting ready to drive out onto the roads. She was feeling very happy. Indeed.
Oh yes, I wonder what I'm going to do today. The flight controller has told me to pick up some very important cargo.
But just as she was about to go, a strong gust of wind caused Elizabeth to topple over. Luckily, Elizabeth's driver wasn't with her, but Elizabeth knew they were going to put her back on sideways. Meanwhile, Mighty Mac were just getting ready to take the vacationers up to the mountainsides. They were very happy indeed. Rusty was just sitting there. I'd take care if I were you two. Oh yes, I think the wind will never stop us. Me neither. It's sure scary, but we'll just have to take care of it. But before Rusty could answer, they puffed away. Oh boy, I think they're heading for trouble. Mighty Mac puffed cheerfully as they could on their way to the mountains. They were looking forward to speaking to Mr. Percival about their adventure. And then... Ow! Ow! A strong gust of wind blew Mighty Mac off the rails. They were stuck. They wouldn't be able to go to the mountains now. They would have to get help as soon as possible. Meanwhile, Stepney was taking on water. He was looking forward to his next passenger train. Just then, a strong gust of wind blew a tree over and it blocked the line. Oh my God, that is not good. Just then, he heard Duck. He was pulling a long goods train as fast as his wheels would let him. Oh no, he's going to crash into the tree. Stepney blew his whistle loud and long. And just then, he saw Duck approaching him with a train of trucks. Duck had heard them twice. And then, Duck saw the tree on the line. He braked with all his might. And he managed to stop in front of the tree. What the heck is this? Oh, Stepney, you saved my life. thank you. Well, it's the least I could do. I would have not warned you if you crashed into the tree. Stepney felt proud. He had saved the day. The next day, the messes that the wind had caused were cleaned up. Everyone was happy to be back on track once again. And all the engines were running on schedule again. And I hope Sodor doesn't see another windy day like this for a while. Don't you?